We will prove, step by step, the identity, the fraction 1 plus tangent A over 1 minus tangent A equals tangent of 45 degrees plus A. Step 1. Recall the tangent addition identity. For any angles x and y, tangent of the sum x plus y equals tangent x plus tangent y, all over 1 minus tangent x times tangent y. Step 2. Substitute x equals 45 degrees and y equals A. We know tangent 45 degrees equals 1. Now write the identity with these values and then simplify the numerator and the denominator carefully. Step 3. We have shown exactly that tangent of 45 degrees plus A equals the fraction 1 plus tangent A over 1 minus tangent A. This completes the proof, proven using only the tangent addition identity.
Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.